In this video, we will learn how to log in remotely with SSH. We can use SSH to connect to the remote system. The SSH utility encrypts all information it sends over the network, so the communication is secure. We can use the command SSH followed by the name or IP address. For example, if I want to log into my own system, just for example, we can connect to this system instead of our remote. So I can use SSH, and then I need to give the IP address of the machine I need to connect. So I will use the IP address of this machine. I will open another terminal and look up the IP address for this machine. You need to have an account on the remote machine where you are trying to log in with SSH. So over here I will use command ifconfig, and this is my IP address, local IP. I will just copy this and paste it over there and just hit enter, and it will ask for the password on remote machine, and you need to type the password. So you can see I'm logged in with SSH. So this way you can log into remote machine in secure way by using SSH. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.